Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you something very interesting. In the afternoon, one of my colleague has shared these beautiful GeoGebra applets while giving a presentation on understanding quadrilateral. So here I am now trying to explore them, and I found them very interesting. So first one is about exploring the exterior angles of a quadrilateral. So we normally tell to the children that some of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360-degree. Why? There is no need to tell it to them. Actually, if we create such kinds of visualization in the classroom and then followed by a creative discussion, then students can think and then let us know that what is the sum of the angles or exterior angles in a quadrilateral. Now see, a lot of observation has to happen here. See, all the angles, exterior angles, when they are placed adjacent to each other and without leaving any gap, then they are covering the central angle of this circle. So we say that some of the all the angles of exterior angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees, and children can do this kind of activity, self exploratory activity on their own also, and we can have a creative discussion followed by that. So let me take you to another example. Here it is a very interesting activity to identify the different types of quadrilaterals, and children, they often get confused between some types of quadrilaterals. So see, if they actually do this activity, they can actually find through observations, and by getting involved, getting engaged in this applet, so they can try to learn it. See, what we have to do is we have to just color all the squares by yellow. So you see, observe the shape and then ask them why you have colored this T shape as yellow. How do you come to know that it is a square? So have a discussion on it. Similarly, why this R is a square? Similarly, do it for rectangle. So they can observe the shapes which are there in the board in front of them, and you can share the link of this applet to them while teaching online as well, and they can do lots of creative stuff and share back their screen with you, and their responses maybe can have a screenshot, and then share their responses with you, and you can ask from the students about this activity result. Now, another one is the third one, which is an activity to prove that opposite angles of a quadrilateral are congruent. So, when you click on this, this is another interesting applet, and here the task is that you have to just move these dots, and then you can see, just observe that what are the opposite angles, the measurements of the opposite angles. They can write down the observations in their notebook and come to the conclusion. See how interesting it is. They can make different types of quadrilaterals and get back to you with their observations and result. So I hope you will be using these three applets in your online teaching when you are taking up the chapter quadrilaterals, understanding quadrilaterals in class 8 or in class 9. And these applets are quite easy to use and can prove very beneficial for the students. Thank you so much. Thank you.